Wow, I look rough. Welcome back to my channel. Don't nobody care. Well, for people who did care, do care. I had a sore throat to where it felt like I was trying to swallow bricks every time I want to swallow anything, and chills and headache. Today I look rough because I'm gonna get my hair done. What day is that? The 20th. I forgot if it's the 21st or 22nd. Me and my sister and my mom are about to go shopping for the braiding weave. I need to stop because I look like a dude. This beauty supply store, you can't record in there. Pretty sure you can't. And I don't even want to show the outside because I don't want a lawsuit or whatever they can do, or the video taken down. So I'm gonna record before, like right now, and then when we leave the store, I'll show like the bag, and then when we get back home, I'm gonna show like everything I got. The next part of this video will be me getting my hair done. So she's gotten her hair straightened after how long? 2 years? That's the mojo, dude. Nope, that's definitely a vape. Yikes. Rotary traffic circle. We have arrived, but I can't put the store on camera because I don't want a lawsuit. So, I'm in the ghetto.
So basically, what I was thinking of was, oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
We're at my hairdresser's house. Me and my mom are both getting our hair done. I just grabbed the hair out the trunk. You'll see what color I got when I get it braided. But my mom's going first, so I'll be here for hours. Yeah, so cute. Period. This is the fit. I'm just gonna record when my hair gets braided, and then I'm going to the store to get lashes after this, and then I'm gonna record after I do my makeup, and then I'm gonna end the video. Whoops, I forgot to record. What? Forgot to record when I was going to the store. But I got these little lashes or whatever. I got these and they're beautiful. And then I also got candy, but that's not what's important. These, key essential to life. But this is my hair. Oh, it's really long. Hold on, I'm about to show in the mirror how long it is. Look how long it is. It's like, but wow, you can't look. Don't look at my room, but it's at butt level. See, this is, you can't have them any shorter. Like, come on now. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I did my makeup and everything. So guys, I did my makeup. We gotta get the angles. Like, I did my makeup. I already showed y'all the length of my hair. Like, period. Nah, I didn't even get to make Snapchat videos yet because I gotta walk that little boy. So I didn't even get to make my Snapchats yet. Because when I make if I make Snapchats when I feel rushed, I don't make them good. So I'm gonna walk him. And then I'm gonna make Snapchats. Then I might insert one. I don't know yet, but I'm filming this hair like whenever I first get it done, I feel like I look crazy. Why do I look like short neck? Whenever I get it done, I feel like I look crazy. And then after I do my makeup, and I'll be like, and then the next day, I don't even have to have my makeup done. I'm just like, oh, this looks cute. But like, whenever I first get it done, I'm like, but you know, that was cute. Like, I'm really loving this light, like, period. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm always looking crazy at the beginning of the hair video, but like by the end, I always look good. Period. Okay. He looks straight without his collar. She kisses. Kisses.
Turn me on, let me hold you. Girl, don't stress nobody.